up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm with my mom. We are about to go check out either one or two townhouses right now. It's like one of the model open houses. I would rather live in like a townhouse rather than a regular house, just in case something happens to me and I can like scream. My next door neighbor will be able to hear me.
No, what you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. So let's get started.
Eventually, we haven't started yet.
Which, over here?
Yep, I'm all open.
Thank you.
Absolutely. The single families we haven't started yet.
Okay.
The townhomes, everything we've got is sold. Yeah.
Everything they got sold.
Very good. Well, you can live here too.
Yeah. You know what? My husband
Is that,
and
I don't think that's
downside.
is it?
We got
What is this?
Yeah. You know, you just kind of follow.
it's nice.
Yeah. This is very young furniture. What do you think? Look at this bathroom.
Well, this is nice.
I know.
Hey, friends.
Hi.
Do y'all have any questions or need anything?
No, it's
Not
just
yet. Ooh.
You got a video going on and everything.
Yeah, it's for YouTube.
Nice. What do you do for YouTube? Just
Like,
sold with branches on the painted.
oh my goodness.
It depends. So like sometimes we'll move
Good for now. Yeah. And just started with a
the price is
paintbrush.
right. You'll
And
know
I'm
to sell
like,
it.
yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, this is so
oh my
nice.
goodness.
It is really nice.
I'm out of town this weekend.
If I get tired of my mom, I can throw it over the balcony.
A sitting room. Oh, like
Look at this wall.
like
Actually, does this is them too? Oh, like the background. Okay, they got this painted like pink. I don't know if you can tell, but yo, this is. I like this more than like the apartments. Definitely. My mom is too hype. The
we can't, because they won't be here long.
oh, the closets are kind of small though.
Martin doesn't have a closet.
We have a nice little closet. My mom's literally recording for my dad. Laundry room. We're back downstairs, by the way. This is like the hallway right next to the kitchen. I didn't know there was one next on the other side of this too. But ring the doorbell?
Yeah.
What happened? I like this. You didn't even get in yet. Okay, so you first come in. So, well, think about it. It's organized correctly though as well.
I know. But you have to put, I guess we have to put a little piece on it.
Okay, so we walk in, and then this is the bathroom. Small little bathroom for guests and stuff. It smells good in here. Like, I don't know what it is, but. Mom, why are you filming? You think the dad won't be able to see? Oh, garage, okay.
Oh, that's
This is tiny. One car garage, so I don't really know.
I mean, it's cute.
Yeah.
And of course it's bigger than that. But that one's kind of small. But if you got two people, it's fine.
Right.
Y'all from Charlotte?
No, but we've been here for a while.
Okay, where you from?
South Carolina.
That's good. I like South Carolina. Fort Hill. I like Rock Hill too, but
Oh yeah, Rock Hill has a little bit of crime.
my son's girlfriend, and she wanted to live for
Fort Mill, it should be like Tika Cave, which is like the
I know what you get
the
there.
better side of that and stuff. But Rock Hill is having some.
Okay.
It hasn't always been
No,
bad,
I know.
but, and it's good country area.
I know.
York County itself.
So upstairs,
Yes, ma'am.
we're gonna turn this way first. So like a little entertainment center, but this area is kind of small. I don't like how they organize this. Okay, upstairs laundry room. This is definitely what we need.
I like that, but I don't like that.
Why? Okay, this is kind of exotic how they organize this, whoever the designer was.
Well, that's a big closet though.
Look at the ceiling.
Oh yeah. Look at the closet.
This is enough space for me. I don't know about you and Dad.
Huh?
Bathroom's way smaller than our
Small.
current one.
Yeah.
This is good for
was
two people.
Two.
Oh,
It's only one sink.
okay, sit down, shower. You're tired from work. Bathroom.
I like this. This is cute on.
Okay, closets are definitely smaller than the current house that my mom has and me. Oh, this is a boy room set?
No, I'm saying it's a kid room, but I guess it would be.
Oh, look at this fake iPad.
Yeah. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, I like this.
Okay, you walk in.
Like
This is like a little coat closet or something.
yeah. Oh, me.
So we have, I think this is garage. Okay, and then we have, this is like an odd looking door though. Bathroom. Cute.
All of them are down this bottom.
Yeah.
It's down in a second. Thank you. Yeah, it's that much space in a second. It's so sad.
I guess this is the
Top is
pantry.
kinda small. This is cute.
Yeah.
All of them, yeah. But the first one, it has the master bedroom.
I like this kitchen.
This kitchen is nice and bright.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same. It seems like it's the same.
Okay, so overlooking banister. So we have the laundry room. I like the laundry room upstairs. Just hope there's no like leaks or anything. Guess it's like a towel closet. Then we've got this decent size. Love. Ooh, this is the good bathroom, Mom. So, guess this is the master. 2 sinks. I don't like the separation of the toilet, but decent closet. I love how it's so bright and airy in here.
Is this bigger or something?
But yeah.
Oh, that's why I want.
Okay, we're going over this side. So, here are the 2 extra bedrooms. Oh, it's just cute. Only thing are the closets are way small in these townhomes. Aww. We have this. Closets. Yeah.
It's just more. But that first one had
And then
the first one would be a lot
bathroom.
interesting because it has the 2 sinks.
Okay guys, so look at this extra bar space. We're just trying to like envision. I don't actually. Okay guys, now we're just gonna go look in this house. I think this is in the between 450s and the 500 range, which is good, you know, because if this was in other states it would be like 600, 700. California would be 2 million. 2 million, 2.5 million for this. Go in here. It smells like
Cinnamon.
one of your candles.
Yeah.
Okay. Houses like these you gotta organize right. So we got the guest bathroom. What would this be here? I'm not sure if this would actually be here, but so we have the house, fireplace, kitchen area. I like this little combination right here. I wish this island was a little bit bigger. I'm not sure why the pantry doesn't have a door. Oh my gosh, it's very small in here. Like I can touch the ceiling. I don't like canned soda though. Pull it forward, make it look like we didn't get any. Like the black backsplash. This is, don't know. This would be the garage. Okay, so it's oh, your story. We're gonna go up there second. Okay, so come up here. We have like this little, what is this, like an entertainment area? Got the mirror.
That's why.
That's why it's 4 and 500,000. This is huge laundry area. Oh, this is so open, spacious.
I think you can go here though.
Huh?
Ooh.
Kitchen area, I mean sink area is kind of small, but I love the detailing. Then we have
So cool. I thought I pushed the record away. And then you recorded me.
I'm not surprised. Little towel closet. Okay, so we have closet. Oh my gosh. Split it up. 2 people. Yeah, this is too small for 1 person. Way too small. I mean, too big. I would have to have about 5 kids if I live here. Look at this. Oh my gosh, bathroom. To be a second bathroom.
Yeah, this is good for people.
Okay. Closet in here is pretty small though, sadly.
It's okay, but look how.
Yeah. Okay, let's go up to the 3rd floor. Okay, I don't know how far I got But this is the upstairs, 3rd floor. Then we have a bathroom in here. So it's like a, this could be a room, this could be a nice party area. We're going back down to the 2nd floor. And this was the 2nd floor. I showed them 2nd floor. Okay guys, so I'm probably gonna just end the video right here because this video was like long already and I showed you guys 3 houses already. 2 townhouses and this last house is a townhouse. I don't know if this is copyrighted song, so I'm trying to speak loud and fast. Okay, hopefully you guys can see me, but that wraps up this video. I don't know if this video is like long or short, probably long, but thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. Let me know if you guys want to see any more stuff about like apartments, houses in Charlotte, places to go in Charlotte, North Carolina, whatever. That's where I already live right now if you don't know. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and the sun, I cannot see y'all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Comment down below any recommendations you have. So bye. Say bye to the people.